Hello and hi everyone. In this video, I want to show you how to draw this 3D modeling by using AutoCAD. So in order to draw this object, we need to refer to this layout like this. Okay. So this is the top view. This is the front view, side view, and isometric view. Okay. So let's open the new drawing. Okay. We draw the top view first by using the circle command. Okay, click here to specify the center, then right click, choose diameter, then we put the diameter 45. Okay. Alright. Next, we draw the external diameter with radius of 32.50. Okay, external circle with radius of 32.50. Then by using the circle command, specify center. Then we put the radius 32.5. Next, by using the line, we draw a line start from the center outward with distance of 40. Okay, press enter. Then we need to offset that line with distance of 13.87. Then by using the offset command, we put distance 13.87. Press enter, then click to this line to the right. Okay. By using the move command, select these two lines, press enter, then choose press shift right click. Then we choose mid between 2 points. Okay, first point, second point. Then we just put to the center. Okay. Okay, so next we are going to draw the small circle inside with diameter of 6. Then by using circle command, by using the shift right click, mid between 2 points, then specify the center, then right click, we put the diameter 6. Then simply by using the start, center, and out, click to the start, center, and like this. Okay. Next, by using the array command, we select this part, press enter, then we choose polar array, then we specify the center to create the circular pattern. Then for the number of items, we put 3. Press enter once again. Now we are going to change the view of this object to SW isometric like this. By using the extrude command, press enter, select this part, press enter, then extrude downward with distance of 70. Press enter. Then by using the press pull command, okay, you need to select this multiple part. So in order to select multiple part, you need to press shift. Then we select this geometry. Then press enter, then press pull downward with distance of 10. Okay. Next, okay, we are going to mirror this part downward. Okay. So by using the mirror command, okay, sorry, firstly we need to change this to front, this coordinate to front, then we can mirror this part. By using the mirror command, press enter, select this object, press enter, then press shift right click, mid between 2 points, we need to specify the center. This point and this point, the center. Okay. So we click to the first point and second point, then we can mirror downward like this. Okay. Press enter. Alright. Next, we are going to delete this part as it is not required anymore. Okay. Next, we need to draw this circle. Okay, so you can see this circle, the inside diameter is 30, then outside diameter is 50. And the distance from the center to the end of this object is 40. Then, firstly, we need to draw a line. Then press shift right click, choose mid between 2 points. So this is first point, second point. Then bring here. Then we put the distance 40. Press enter, press enter. Okay, so we are going to draw the internal diameter. Okay, so we are using circle command and we put the diameter 30. Then external diameter 50. Okay, by using the extrude command, we extrude both of the circle inward like this. Okay. Then by using the subtract command, we subtract this part. Okay, and this part. Alright, so you can see the conceptual view. So this part we need to subtract. So we change to 2D wireframe. Then by using the subtract command, we subtract this part and this part. So you can see the view. Okay. Next, we need to subtract this part because we need to create a hole inside here. Okay. So by using the copy edges, okay. So we copy this edge, press enter. Then we click to this base point, then we just click to this, center once again. So you can see the edge. Okay. By using the extrude command, press enter. Then select the circle, extrude inside like this. By using the subtract command, we subtract this part and this part. So you can see the hole. Now we need to remove this part. So by using the copy edges, we extract this edge. Okay, click to the center and the center. Press enter. Okay, we need to change to 2D wireframe. By using the surface extrude, okay, we extrude this part outward like this. Then simply by using the slice command, we need to slice this part. So we need to slice this part. Okay, press enter, then choose surface, then we click to this surface, press enter. So now we can remove this face. So this part we can remove by using delete command, delete button. Okay. Next, the last step is we need to chamfer this part. So the chamfer distance is 5. So by using the chamfer edge, click distance, then we put the first distance 5, second distance 5. Then click to this edge, press enter, then press enter once again. So you can see the final result of this object. Okay. Alright. Thanks for watching my tutorial video. Keep follow us. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and follow my Facebook page, NF Design and Engineering, for more updates and information. Thank you.